So I know as a grower how much of a pain in the ass it could be to relocate your system for whatever the case, whether it's for maintenance or you found a better spot for your indoor setup. Um, the whole idea of breaking down and moving my plants and disturbing the root zone and, you know, all that hassle, I just wanted to blow it out my ass. I had no interest whatsoever. So I designed a system where the breakdown is mere minutes. So our system is designed with drain systems. You plug them in, and it'll drain via a provided 2-foot drain tube to a 5-gallon bucket. Drain within minutes, your DWC and your reservoir. Then all you have to do is just kind of collapse your bottom drain here. You get the bushings here, so we're going to go ahead and put those there. And when you're ready to deactivate and move your system, even if you have plants in here, this is a great thing. You're not going to disturb your root zone. All you have to do is turn. And the containers stack for easy storage, or if you need to move your entire setup easily with your reservoir intact. Now with plants, it could get significantly heavy, but the important thing is, though, that when moving plants, you don't stress the root zone. That is the most important. So with the root zone completely capsulized in this container, it's a low stress environment that promotes female growth. And when you're ready to activate it, lift up, turn, and you're ready to add water and turn on the system. It comes with a provided timer, already pre-programmed, lithium ion, rechargeable. So if the power fails, your timer doesn't fail. And when the power comes back on, your timer will resume its original schedule. We provide 6 bags of Hydroton rocks. We provide you with 6 rock wool cubes and little site level drain so you can see where your water level's at. We have 7 gallons of water here, 3 gallons of water here, that recycle pumped up through here and connected on the backside by a series of hoses. So as you can see, we have our watering system here that is ran through to each cup. Usually what I like to do is put a little clay pellets at the bottom and then put the rock wool with a seedling in it that's starting to grow. Put it in there and then surround it with rocks around it, and then put this right at the base of the top of the rock wool cube, just right there, just beneath the top layer. And so you feed the root zone directly, and then the excess flows down here, down to here, and then back up to here for recycling. You got your air tubes here. You get your aeroponics down here too to keep everything nice and fresh. Provided a 950 gallon per hour air pump. So yeah. So you got your 2 individual drain systems. You got your extra washer and blue cap for this one here. And when you're ready to activate the system, you just kind of pull this back up through the threads, or just reach your hand in here and just move it back in its position, pull it up here, rethread these washer and the blue cap, and you're all set. And you're ready to start growing. Plug this timer into the master plug that's at the rear of the system. This one is for your top drain. This one's for your bottom drain. And that's all there is to it. This is your CASS automated staging system.